Good morning. Actually, just now started afternoon at 12:07 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 10/27, 2013. MMTs, we are going to make a lot of money. And which one are we going to make it on? We're going to make it on this high flyer, the big high flying bull, the best restaurant stock in this planet is going to come down in value. So, basically on this daily level from its earnings gap from the low end here. And I would love to show you as I'm going to. I always get excited when we're going to do extremely well. Let's just take a look at from where the gap was down here to this high. And it's 96% overbought on a daily. Go to the stockmarketfunding.com website. You're going to see all the analysis, like the upcoming earnings on Apple, the past earnings trades on Amazon. They're all in here, all of the indexes. The services that you're going to be mostly interested in right away is the discounted option classes, the option exchange, how it works, and how the equity side works. High profit trades that we've done live during market hours. Previous analysis before the fact, they're all right in here, and they're in the archives. Check out the Netflixes. You know, a lot of these are earnings trades. Check out the Amazon, how we did that. Overbought gap, made money on shorting it. MasterCard is coming up. I can simply tell you right now that we're adding a lot of overbought stocks that are going to come down. What I will show you is Chipotle Mexican Grill on this weekly chart. Chipotle Mexican Grill had a great earnings play. And in the prior week, it went up. During its earnings week, it went up $78 from that earnings. It had a follow through. It's extremely overbought and is due for a pullback. MMTs. The first order of business is to go to the put option side on CMG alert. And what we will do is we will start looking at those 530 puts, okay, because we will, and this is a weekly chart. So we're going to look at the 530 puts. The reason why we're doing it, great company, great execution, great bull run, great everything. However, I'm sorry to inform you, it will come down in value. The daily chart is at all-time narrow range price highs on the daily once again. So we're going to do the following. We're going to make sure that you go to trading, click on the free trial tab. It's that simple. This way you can be with us for 5 full days in the market or whatever your time will permit. You can write down all your questions you may have. They will all be answered specifically to what we do and how we do it. And we'll go over the features, advantages, and benefits. You're welcome to call us at 702-685-0772. Click Get Started Now. Okay? And you get to save $3,000. That's your $3,000 free voucher. Normally it would be $3,000 for a 5-day period with us in the option market. But we're going to give that to you on a trial level to get started now. The next thing to do is to go open an account. Open an account. Click on Open an Account button. It will tell you what your contract is as far as getting trading capital assigned to you. Get started today. Click on the pattern day trading rule. See how all of these things are a hindrance to you. Okay? You'll have a direct access platform to trade with. Once again, you can click on the videos. You can sign up now. What we have up here is called a November regular $530 put on Chipotle Mexican Grill. CMG is a symbol. They were $40. I'm going to show you the high on 10/18. When they reported earnings, these contracts, of course, they were deep in the money, but nonetheless, they were priced at on the high of $41, and now they're down here on the lows. Right now, the value is, well, the low was $12.40 now. That's where we closed at. These are deflated in price. Now, having showed you that put option, it's a short-term trade to make a profit in the 530 put on Chipotle Mexican Grill. Let's just keep everything in perspective. It's not because CMG is a bad stock. It's because these are deflated in price. They're not going to stay down there and they're going to go back up. As we've clearly showed here on the daily chart, that we are in a huge bull gap. So let me point it out to my MMTs. From that price to here, I can tell you that the week of this movement right here, we want to look at the dollar wise. This movement here for that day, for this particular day, not on the weekly level, for the day, was $33.76. Remember that the previous day, it closed at 439, ran to that high of 511. Since then, it's had 3, 4, 5 narrow range days, making a high of 528 and closing 50 cents off of that high, 527.50. This is on the daily level. Having said that, once again, the recap, 800 weekly chart. Well, it's a weekly chart. Once again, the weekly total combined movement from the bottom here, the bottom of that weekly movement was 432 and the high was 511. That was $78 from the bottom up. This particular follow week, this last week we just finished now, the bottom up was $506 to the top at 528, which also put that in a higher overbought level on CMG. 320 puts pay in the short term. We'll trade the short November regular. 330 or 530 puts on Chipotle Mexican Grill. 530 puts that we featured. All alert and how they make money before the fact. Once again, it's been a pleasure with our MMTs. Just go to the website. Simply make life easy. Click here, get involved, get started today, spend some time with us during live market hours via headset, and we will be doing all the live trades and everything here for you in person.